He's a neutral.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be in Lake Arrowhead doing Willow Creek Jeep Trail. Now this trail has grown to be one of my favorite spots to go to. Honestly, just because there's so much to do, there's so many trails that link up to it, and you can honestly spend a whole day out here just trying different things. So we start off at Pinnacles Staging Area. If you just Google it, it'll take you to it. So our plan today is to go down all the way until 3N34D, which is Bacon Flats, and that'll lead you into Devil's Hole, which has a beautiful creek. We're also gonna do 2N27Y, which is Rouse Meadows, and then turn on to 2N28Y. And at the end, we're gonna do 2N29Y, which is Stove Flats, and that's essentially linking all of those back to Willow Creek Jeep Trail. So you're essentially doing a big loop, and that's what we'll be doing today. So this right here is where we turned on to Bacon Flats, or 3N34D. This is what leads you down to Devil's Hole. It honestly isn't that tough of a trail, but there is a good obstacle at the bottom. Today there was a bunch of cars parked in front of it, so we couldn't even try it. But we did just try it in the black Jeep, so stay tuned, that video is coming. So it is worth noting that because of how beautiful this creek is, it does tend to get busy on the weekends. If you do come down here on a weekend, actually anytime, it's important to keep an eye out for the spots where the road gets a little wider. If you're ever in a situation like this where you're trying to pass someone, it's gonna be a little tough. So it's worth noting, you know, if you pull back just a little bit, even if it's a whole minute of backing up, but if it makes it a lot easier to pass someone, just keep an eye out for those spots. Don't get in a situation like us here with this white Tacoma. This was my first time down there, but since then I've been back multiple times, and now we really do pay attention to that.
All those puddles, we did get a little dirty. What happened to the crackers, Owen?
So they were not put away properly and they all cracked.
Wait, other way.
Look at all the
like right there. Oh my goodness. Crackers got cracked.
But we got a good clean avocado this morning, like gorgeous.
So once you turn down Rouse Ranch, just wanted to update you. This does get real rocky, so it's not a hard drive, just real rocky. So after lunch, we made that right turn onto Rouse Meadows, or 2N27Y. And at this point, there are some black diamond obstacles. There are some bypasses if you decide not to do it. I just don't know what's down that way. I've never been that way.
Okay, so we came to another split. This is what takes you back to 3N34, which is where we came from. And then left will take you to 3WI3. So it looks like a fun road. Maybe another day we'll try that. We're gonna go ahead and go this way today. right, boys. So I think we've completely maxed that out right there. Looks pretty good. All right. Owen, how you feeling?
I feel amazing.
All right.
A little freaked out because my back wheel's in the air.
Yeah, it is.
I can feel it.
Okay. Oh, Elwin, look right here. Go that way. Keep going. You're good. You're just sliding on a rock. Yeah, you just went over it. All right. You're good. Slow down. Hold on. Keep coming. You're just sliding on a rock. There you go. You're going to go up. Slow.
So at this point, we were really close back to Willow Creek Jeep Trail. Remember those puddles that we were splashing around in earlier? So on our way back, we found someone who stalled out on it, and he was there with his 3 boys. Now I'm gonna be completely honest, and I know some of you guys might shame me on this, but we really didn't pack much recovery gear. We did take some tools, but totally slipped our mind, forgot them, and we were in this situation. Honestly, we couldn't leave them behind though, so we grabbed the straps that we had on the cooler.
He's in neutral. There we go. Nice and slow. Oh, your back wheels are locked. Yeah. Hold on, Mo. His back wheels are not free. Yeah, right now he's pulling you. Huh? Yeah, there you go. Yeah, there we go.
Lucas, come on now.
Yeah.
Before you knew it, the sun was going down, and just check out these views. It took a few hours to get them back up and going. We followed them out of the trail, and I'm just glad we all made it out okay. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Appreciate you watching. Make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of these next videos that are coming out. Stay safe, and we'll see you on the next video.